sprung.
The grass is riz. I wonder where the flowers is. Actually, they're outside. They're making my nose go crazy.
Roses are red, violets are
blue.
blue. We're all things spring.
Do you know my favourite version of that? Roses are red, violets are blue, so goes the age-old rhyme. But I know that violets are red and roses are blue. I've seen them hanging on the line.
I have no idea what you even just said.
Oh no, it's just an underwear reference. Don't worry. Okay, so welcome. It is Monday night, and that means it's time for...
Let's talk about...
You probably can't even see me.
We've got our springy clothes
Well,
on.
you've got your springy clothes on. I'm wearing the official... this is the official camouflage uniform of the Hawaiian Marines, so you probably can't even see me there, but that's a true story.
Okay.
Okay. We are going to talk about spring tonight, and some cool stuff that you can...
Yeah, so we're not going to cover spring cleaning because
No.
we're going to do that next week,
Next
but we're
week.
going to talk about our favourite products for spring.
Yeah.
So if you're wanting a more happy nose, a summer-ready body, all of those things, we're going to talk
What does that
about.
look like? What's a summer-ready body?
Well, you know, like in winter, you don't necessarily.
You're rugged up.
Yes.
It's all out there in summer. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so you're going to
Okay.
get the body ready.
I've been working on that for the last 58 years.
You know.
It's a work in progress.
So we are going to talk about it. So what are some of your favourite spring products?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
Okay, let's roll the music.
And yeah, I'm interested to know what can you not live without in spring? It's always the change of seasons. So we're going to talk about my favourite change of seasons oils
Yeah.
for happy noses. So do you want a more happier nose? I know Jeremy does.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Here we go. So what are we seeing?
Let's talk about
Spring.
spring.
Let's talk about
Spring,
spring.
baby.
Spring. 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 Okay, thank you. Salt and pepper.
Just going to push off one of our
Ah!
remotes.
Oh.
All right, so Danae last week talked about bloom. So I guess, you know, I'm so excited for my beautiful spring skin to be using bloom. And so we're not going to talk about that this week, but have you guys seen, like, I looked at these boxes and I thought, like, when you see them online, you think, wow, they're tiny, but they're really big. So they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be.
Wow.
But that, if you order the spring collection, the bloom 3-piece collection, it comes in this cute little box. So that's what it looks like. As I say, Danae covered that
Very
last week if you want to know. But one of the
So
things...
you can find that on our YouTube channel or...
Yes, or in this Facebook group.
Yep.
So one of the things I did learn was the importance of using a sunscreen when you use bloom, because bloom actually, you know, helps to take off, you know, helps, I don't know, I can't remember how Danae put it. You need to make sure that you are using adequate sun protection. So it's a great product for spring because it's going to get your skin ready. Whereas in summer, I'm hopeless. I really should use more sun protection. That's why I need bloom in the first place.
Yeah.
But definitely you need to have some mineral sunscreen. So Young Living's 50+ sunscreen goes alongside bloom. Obviously, you know, that's our favourite summer product, but coming into, it's already hot here. Like, I don't know about you guys, but it feels like summer anyway. So make sure that you, you know, use your sunscreen with your bloom, okay? Now,
Spring into spring with...
Zing. Zing is back in stock. I'm so excited about this. If your partner drinks energy drinks and
Or if you do.
Or if you do, yeah. And they're full of sugar and, you know, other nasty ingredients that, like, if you Google how much sugar is in a lot of energy drinks and what the caffeine and other ingredients like guarana, that what they do to you know, your heart and all kinds of things, it's really quite scary. Whereas the thing I love about Zing is it's an energy drink, but it's got 35 calories. Is that what you looked up? It's got
Yep,
35
yeah.
milligrams of naturally occurring caffeine.
Yeah.
Black pepper. I mean, the taste is amazing. Do you like the taste?
Yeah, I do. I love the taste. Icy cold, there's nothing like it. It's very refreshing.
Yeah, so...
And I'll tell you an interesting thing. Sorry. Whenever you drink like soft drinks, it always leaves that like sticky, sugary taste in your mouth. It doesn't do it. What are you pointing at?
We left the succulent diffuser.
The succulent diffuser. Oh my kitty. Yeah.
So along with the sunscreen, I guess I also want to talk about the outdoor blend that Young Living has. So as the weather gets warmer, you're going to be outside barbecuing or camping. I know we're going glamping in the next holidays. My friend owns a glamour camping business. It's called Glamp Oz. Bit of a free plug there for Natasha. And so if, you know, like we'll be...
Does that mean I have to get dressed up every day?
Yeah, because we're going glamour camping.
Put on the suit and tie.
Yeah. So definitely the two things we'll be packing for our camping trip are the outdoor blend and the sunscreen. So, you know, great for coming into summer. I won't talk about that one just yet. If you want a summer ready body, have you tried Cell Light Magic? Take before and after photos of the tops of your legs and your stomach. You will be amazed at this product. Like, if you've already used it, let us know. But it's truly an amazing product.
Is this a new product?
No, we've had it for ages.
I've never heard of it.
Cell Light?
Yeah, I've never heard of it. So what's it got in it?
It's got, because it's a carrier oil, so it's a massage oil, but the main oils are grapefruit, cypress, cedarwood, juniper, clary sage, and of course the V6. So, you know.
Skin. We can't mention about... No, we can't mention.
Happy skin, okay? Yeah. So if you want happy skin on the tops of your thighs and your stomach and anywhere else, then get some Cell Light Magic. But seriously, before and after photos, you'll be amazed at the difference that this oil, you know, I know some of you have done it before when I've talked about it. You can even add other oils. I know girls who do the whole wrapping thing and they add ledum and... I'll post it in the comments, but they add other oils to this and then do the wrapping. And yeah, amazing results I've had from Cell Light Magic.
Does this mean our feed is going to be full of pictures of people's butts?
No, it's the tops of their legs.
Okay.
All right, I want to talk about my go-to for happy noses in spring. A lot of people, they hate the change of seasons, they hate autumn, they hate spring because of, you know, just because of all the pollen and stuff around. So if you want a happy nose, my go-to is the LLP. So you've probably heard me talk about this before, which is lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So whether you put that in your diffuser, whether you make it into a nasal inhaler, whether you even make it into roller bottles. I don't know if you guys have seen these new roller bottles that we've got.
Is this another shameless plug?
Yeah, shameless
plug.
plug.
Are we selling these?
We are selling them.
Oh,
and Team Bella members actually get a discount. So you get, you know, you save like $5 or something off these. So if you're interested,
cool.
They've got bamboo tops, but you can make them up. I mean, you can obviously use the roller bottles. There's 9 different colours in that set, but you can make it up with your lavender, lemon and peppermint and roll it on, you know, your top lip, around your nose. As I say, you can make it a nasal inhaler, you can use it in the diffuser, whatever you want. So that is my go-to for happy noses. If you want a happy nose, use that. Now, I just wanted to mention some of the free products that you can get this month with Young Living. One of them is this Succulent Diffuser. So Jeremy's going to show you. Turn it around. It's got the Young Living logo on the front of it.
And how cool is that? It's quite pretty.
Great for your bathroom, okay? Where you don't, like, you know, there's nothing worse than worrying about an electrical appliance landing in the bath. So if you don't want to have a diffuser that's plugged into the wall in your bathroom, but you want to have a diffuser, this is a great choice. It fits nicely on top of your toilet or on a window ledge, even beside the sink. But the best thing is it's not plugged into any power. Now there's 2 ways you can use this. One is to put the oil directly on the flower at the top. It's made from, you know, like a ceramic type. It's like plaster of Paris kind of material, so really absorbent of the oils. But the other way is, if you don't want to be adding the oil all the time, is to fill up this well at the bottom and then you pop that back in, and the oil actually gets soaked up the little cord.
Yeah,
So
it's like a little wick.
it's a 1:5 ratio. So if you want to do 150 mils of a carrier oil, so whether it's V6 or grapeseed, jojoba, sweet almond, any kind of carrier oil, you could even use olive if you really, didn't have anything else in your house, but 150 mils of the carrier oil and 30 mils of your favorite essential oil. So you could use a blend, like maybe you want to increase the feng shui of your bathroom and bring more abundance. So you put like a jade plant and some abundance oil into your diffuser. Maybe something like citrus fresh or purification, any of those. A 30 ml bottle in with your carrier oil lasts ages, right? Because it's going to get sucked up that little wick and come out through the top. So,
Obviously, you're not going to use water with your essential oil.
No, it has to be a carrier oil. Okay, so a carrier oil. And 30, that's if you do the 30 mils. If you want to do less, I mean, obviously the oils.
Just keep the 1:5.
Yeah, 1:5 ratio. But
well, and if you use less, like the wick is long enough to go all the way down, so that's going to go into the.
Yeah, but I'm lazy and I don't like to fill it up all the time. So.
Yeah, that's cool.
Anyway, so that's you get that for free this month with 250 PV order. As well as a 5 ml tangerine. So you could even use the tangerine and just less of the carrier oil. And you also get a ylang-ylang. That's the 145 PV this month. And so you could use the ylang-ylang in your...
Just say hypothetically you're on Essential Rewards, but your Essential Rewards date was like the 27th of...
You're probably going to miss out.
Yeah.
So there's only limited stock of these.
Yeah. Order soon.
If you want one of them, you need to process your ER order early.
Yep.
So you go into virtual office and there's a thing that says process manually. And if you want one of those, then you're going to have to do it quick smart.
Yeah.
Now the other freebie that I wanted to talk about, which is great for spring, is blue tansy. So what I do with the blue tansy, like you can see the lid itself, right? This lives in my bathroom. And what I do is I get the conditioner. So it doesn't matter which conditioner you use. We sort of alternate, but this is the lavender mint. Now, it's really hard to get like I make up a blue conditioner. Now, I know some people do blue shampoo and that's fine too, but I like to put it into my conditioner. So I tip out about, like when it's full, I tip out about 2/3 of the bottle into a glass jar. Now, I put the drops of blue tansy in. Now, blue tansy is so blue, you can see it. I drip those in, and this is why I love that it's free this month, because I probably do 8 to 10 drops in, well, I don't know, it's personal preference how blue you want it, okay? Because I want my hair to look not brassy. And then I fill it up with warm water, okay? Warm water is best, because if you do cold water, it just doesn't seem to...
Do you colour your hair?
I use a blue shampoo. What? It makes it not quite so yellow.
I didn't know.
So I get 3 bottles out of the 1 bottle, okay? Because I'm doing 1/3 and the drops of blue tansy oil, and then I fill it up with warm water. I shake it and I put it in the bathroom, and it makes it thinner as well. Have you tried to get the conditioner out of that tiny little hole there? Yeah. It's really hard to get out, especially as you go through it. So this way I'm getting 3 bottles out of the 1, especially, this month with the blue tansy. But if you saw my newsletter this month, I had the eye serum. Even the glow serum for your face is made with blue tansy oil. So many uses with this beautiful oil. So, just don't use too much of it, as Danae found out, because you'll look like a smurf. Don't want to put too much on your face. It's what gives Valor the beautiful blue colour.
Yep.
So anyway, they're my top well, there's more than 5, but they're my top products for spring. And next week we're going to talk about spring cleaning and some different cleaning hacks that you can try at home with the Thieves products and to make your home sparkle.
I'm going to be videoing Kim doing all the spring cleaning over this next week.
I thought you were.
I'm going to be posting that. So
Jan, our cleaner, comes tomorrow, so maybe we can video her. Anyway, have a great week. Enjoy spring.
Yeah.
I love spring because it means that summer will soon be here.
Absolutely. And there's so many good options out of that.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right, thanks guys. See you next week.
See ya.
Bye.